Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin at the top. Place your feet 1-2 steps back so you don't crowd the edge. Grip the nearest handrail firmly. This stabilizes you as the first step moves away. Step on with your whole foot, not toes, because consistent contact prevents missteps and catches conveyor motion. Keep knees slightly bent and weight centered. This helps absorb small jolts. Once your foot is fully on, shift forward smoothly and maintain a steady pace. Don't run or hesitate. You should stand centered on the step, feet about hip-width apart, because an even stance reduces sideways sway. Keep one hand lightly on the rail for balance. Grip only as needed so you can release quickly if necessary. Secure bags close to your body and avoid using phones or loose clothing near the comb plate. If you need to pass, step off at the end and let faster riders by. Moving while the escalator is in motion increases the risk of tripping. As you approach the end, look for the comb plate and step forward promptly so your heel does not catch. Walk off briskly and clear the exit area to let others off. Once off, regain normal stride and check nearby children or anyone who may need help. Assist them before using the escalator again. If something jams or you trip, hold the rail, stay calm, and either press the visible emergency stop or call staff immediately. This prevents further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.